women pray in public places? The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has stated that this earth was made as a masjid for him and a purifying place. So based upon this hadith, it is permissible for men and women to pray wherever they are. However, when it comes to our sisters, 3 things should be kept in mind. Number 1 is, are they going to be able to concentrate in those public places? So for example, if there are a lot of people eating or drinking or being rowdy and things of that nature, perhaps it's not the best place for her to pray in that situation. Number 2, is her safety at risk? So as we know, this is a day and age where Islamophobia is becoming rampant, and perhaps there may be a risk for her. So she should keep in mind that she doesn't want to pray in a place where she could be at risk. And then number 3, a place where her modesty will not be exposed. So if she can stay closer to a wall, if she can stay in an area where she's more confined, then that would be better for her. And again, we recommend that sisters stay in groups when they are praying in public, if it is possible.
Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified with every new video at Faith IQ. Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.